Victoria. Number 22, Dominic Domingo. Number 00, Nathan Schmerling. Number 9, Jackson Chow. American Canyon is managed by David Amaro and coaches number 15, Caetano Segura. Number 8, Gabe DeLore. Number 10, Hunter Clark. Number 1, Santiago Quiroga. Number 2, Melo Mercado. All right, good luck to both teams. Let's play some baseball.